Let's see how to generate load cases and loads from the BIM model in CYPE Connect. To do this, once the node has been created, we select it in the table on the left-hand side of the interface and edit the connection by clicking on the corresponding button at the top. This takes us to the connection window. If the connection model is complete, we open the Analysis tab. The Generate from the BIM model option is available on the top left-hand side when the job has been created from a BIM model with forces, such as those in CYPE or CYPE 3D. Selecting it opens the Read the Load Cases from the BIM model window. The program allows the combinations of forces that will be read to be filtered. Not all force combinations have significant values, so it may be advisable to filter the number of combinations to be imported in order to reduce the analysis time. By default, we have a filter for each of the 6 force types: axial, shear in Y and Z, and moments in X, Y, and Z. For each type of force, the combinations will be imported where this particular effort meets the selected condition with respect to the indicated percentage of the maximum value, both for positive and negative signs. For example, we can select the condition that the force must be greater than or equal to 90% of the maximum force. Thus, we avoid importing load cases with low force values. As well as filtering by force percentage, we can set a minimum value for either reading or not reading the combinations by typing in a minimum absolute value for forces and a minimum absolute value for moments in the boxes at the bottom of the window. We can also import the forces to be considered for the analysis of the rotational stiffness. To do this, in the drop-down menu, we must choose whether to import maximum moments with simultaneous forces, maximum moments without the other forces, where we would only import moments in Y and in Z, maximum moments by plane with simultaneous forces, all or none. In this latter case, users could add them manually at a later stage. We validate the window by clicking on Accept. This generates the load cases and loads of the sections involved in the connection. From here, we can click on the corresponding buttons in the top toolbar to consult the information generated in both sections or to make any modifications if desired.